Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how to track phone number clicks as conversion in Google Analytics 4. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll be using this website for tracking phone call clicks. Okay, so if I scroll down a little bit, then I'll see a phone number available here. So whenever a user click to this phone number, I want to track this as a conversion. Okay, so I have created a Google Tag Manager account with this website name. You can see over here. And I have also set up a Google Analytics 4 property. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go to the variable section. Okay, then I will enable some built-in variables from here. So I'm going to click on configure. Then if I scroll down a little bit, then I'll enable some built-in variables from clicks. So make sure you have enabled those built-in variables called click element, click classes, click ID, click target, click URL, and click text. So mine is enabled. Make sure yours are too. Okay. So I'm going to go to the trigger section. I'll create a new trigger. So I'm going to click on new and name the trigger as all link clicks. So I'm going to choose trigger configuration as just link, and I'm going to choose all links from here. So I'll click on save. Then I'm going to click on preview section. And I need to put my website URL over here, and I'm going to click on connect. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and click to this phone number and go to the tag manager again. Then we'll see an event called link click is firing. So I'm going to click on this and go to the variable section. Then if I scroll down a little bit, then we'll see click URL, tail clone. So I need to copy this portion called tail clone. So I'll copy it from here and go to the tag manager, and I'm going to edit the trigger. So I'll click on all link clicks. Then I'll choose clicks, just links. So instead of using all link clicks, I'm going to choose some link clicks. Okay. And from here, I'm going to choose click URL. So you can choose either contains or start with from here. So for the time being, I'm going to choose contains and put tail clone over here. And I will rename the trigger as phone call conversion, phone call clicks conversion. Okay. Perfect. I'm going to click on save. Then I'll go to the track section. And the first thing I need to do is to create a tag. So I'll create a Google Analytics 4 tag from here. So I have already created a Google Analytics 4 tag. So what you need to do, you need to create a Google Analytics 4 tag and put the measurement ID over here. Okay. So for getting measurement ID, you just need to go to the admin section. And you need to click on data streams and choose this data stream. Then you will get the measurement ID over here. So what you need to do, you just need to copy this measurement ID from here and paste it over here. Okay. Then as the triggering section, you just need to make it as all pages. So I'll create another tag for GA4 phone call clicks conversion. So I'll choose tag configuration as Google Analytics GA4 event, and I'm gonna select configuration tag as GA4 base tag, and I will give the event name as phone calls click, and I'm gonna choose event parameter from here and give the parameter as name as click URL. So I want to see the exact phone number from here. So I'm gonna choose click URL from here. Okay. And from the triggering section, I'm gonna make the trigger as phone call clicks conversions. Okay. Then I will click on save, and I'll click on preview section for checking whether it is working or not. So I'll click on preview. Then I need to put my website URL over here, and I'm going to click on connect. So let's wait a little bit, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Then I'll click this phone number and go to the tag manager again. And you can see GA4 phone call clicks conversion event is firing. So if I click on this, you can see over here event name phone call clicks, event parameter click URL, value click URL. Okay, so everything is working fine. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have clear understanding on how we can create phone call clicks with conversion for GA4. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.